In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to transfer your iCloud contacts to Google Contacts. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Click on your Apple ID. Navigate to the option iCloud. From the list of apps, find Contacts and make sure you have enabled for it. This means your iCloud contacts are synced to your iPhone. Now I can head back. Launch your Contacts app. Click on the option List. Now select the option All iCloud. Press and hold on it. Click on the option Export. Now select the fields that you want to include, then click on Done. Now here you're going to find this pop-up Select Files. Once you have imported all these contacts to the files, save it. Now launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website contacts.google.com. Switch Google accounts if needed using the top right corner, then tap the three lines in the top left, choose Import, tap Select File and locate the exported file you saved. Press Import and wait for the process to finish. Your iCloud contacts are now successfully transferred to Gmail contacts. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.